Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher or looking for a job opportunity in AI, ML or data engineering, this video is going to be super valuable for you. Today I have brought two high quality opportunities from top consulting firms, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's start with the first one. This one is from Bain and Company and they are hiring for the role of AI ML engineering intern. Now if you don't know, Bain is one of the top global consulting firms and getting an opportunity here is honestly a big deal. This internship is based in Boston and San Francisco, so yes, it is an international opportunity. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. As an MLAI intern, you won't be just doing basic ML tasks, you will be working on real world AI systems used by companies at scale. You will be building things like Gen AI applications, AI copilots, and automated workflows. Basically, systems that can perform multi step tasks using AI. You will also work with LLMs and agent based systems where AI can interact with tools, data, and even take decisions step by step. At the same time, you will also use your machine learning and data science skills like preparing data, training models, testing them, and improving performance. One of the best part is you will work on full lifecycle project from prototype to production. Now coming to the skills, they're expecting strong fundamentals in Python along with some experience with building APIs or backend services. If you have worked on ML models, LLM based projects, or even AI side projects, that will help you a lot. Basic understanding of things like data pipelines, model evaluation, and even concepts like transformers or LLMs will give you an edge. For eligibility, students from computer science, AI, data science, engineering, or related fields can apply. And if you are from 2024, 2025, or even 2026 batch, or recently graduated, you are eligible for this role. Now let's talk about the stipend. For this internship, the expected monthly stipend is roughly between $9,000, that is 8 lakh per month, in Boston or San Francisco, which is honestly a top level stipend for this role. Plus, exposure and brand value you get from Bain is on another level. Now let's talk about the second opportunity. The company is Cornerstone and they are hiring for the role of data engineer in Hyderabad. This is an office based role and it's perfect if you want to build a career in data engineering and backend data systems. In this role, your main work will be around building and managing data pipelines. So basically, companies have data coming from multiple sources, and your job will be to collect, process, transform, and make the data usable. You will be working on things like ETL processes, data workflows, and data warehouse. You will also collaborate with data scientists and business teams to help them use this data for analytics and machine learning. So it's a mix of engineering plus data plus real business impact. Now coming to the skills, they are expecting strong knowledge of SQL, which is very important for this role. Along with that, if you know tools like Snowflake, Airflow, DBT, or Spark, that will give you a big advantage. Programming knowledge in languages like Python, Java, or Scala is also expected. And if you have understanding of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP, that's a plus. For eligibility, fresher or candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. So if you are from 2024 or 2025 batch, this role is a very good entry point in data engineering. Now talking about the salary, for freshers, salary typically ranges between 3.5 to 5.2 LPA, which is decent for starting role in data engineering domain. So yeah, these were the two quick opportunities. One is a premium internship at Bain and Company and another one is a data engineering role at Cornerstone. Make sure to check out the links in the description box. Also for more fresh job opportunities like these, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.